It was time to leave Borana and go to Konso, another city a bit more in the north. The landscape was amazing. Look at this beautiful mountain. Of course, we also had some coffee before we arrived at our hotel. This was my room and the entrance to the restaurant. Such a beautiful place. The roofing and the chairs, everything was kept traditionally. But before we ate dinner, we headed to the local museum, where they display the Konso culture, such as the terrace building, to farm in areas that are prone to erosion. You see it all over the hills in this area. At the museum, they also had the generational tree, as our guide explained that each generation that is responsible to rule the village gets to plant their generational tree. If they do good at the end of their term, there is a big stone erected in their honor. The bigger the stone, the better they did. Accountability in its original form. Konso is also a great spot for selfies, having a view over the wide land in Konso. But of course, there is more to see. Do you know this game? Funny enough, they also play it in Ethiopia. And these right here are called wakas. Yes, it's the Waka Museum, exhibiting these beautiful statues, used on graves of people. Similar to the Ikenga, the waka was carved by a special carver, and always represented the story of the person that died. Normally, these statues would stay on the grave of the person forever, but these specific ones were caught at the border after being stolen and returned to Konso to the museum. The next day, it was time to go more into the village. We wanted to see New York. Yes, New York in Ethiopia. It actually exists, and I was there, live and direct. We drove through a very stony area before coming to the place that we were looking for. New York. It's actually a huge erosion site that is very famous in the entire country. They made it into a tourist attraction, and you get to see the immense effect of water on nature. Because of its similarities to big skyscrapers, they gave it the name New York. We ended the day by shopping some very delicious coffee from Konso.